remove Assam out of India. There are statements made that chicken neck area will be taken away so that Assam gets cut off from India. So the first part is attracted because of that. Second part is economic security is also affected, my lord. And my lords, because they have said purpose is to see that the supplies are cut off for Delhi and other parts of India. Therefore, economic security is also affected. Kindly have a look. By using bombs have been used, petrol bombs have been used. That is the prosecution case. We have evidence that petrol bombs were used. But since 53 people were killed, more than 530 injured, there's a lot of violence. We have tapes showing violence also. Got tapes. What was used was petrol bombs, firearms. Acid was used, which is chemicals. Sticks were used, lathis were used, stones were pelted. Huge crowd pelting stones on a small contingent of policemen. All that is there in the video. But kindly have a look, lords. The first charge sheet, main charge sheet, was filed on 16th of September 2020. There were several sections of the IPC, including 302, 307. There are sections 25 and 27 of the Arms Act, 13, 16, 17, 18 of the UAPA Act, and section 3 and 4 of the PDPEP Act, that is Destruction of Public Property Act. Now, as far as this charge sheet of 16th of September is concerned, cognizance was taken on 7/9/20, 17/9/20. And out of this accused, my lord, who are before my lords, Abdul Khalid Shaifi, Miran Haider, Ulfi Shah, Shaiful Rahman, Sadaf Ahmed, Mohammad Salim, Abdul Khan, they were the persons who were there in this charge sheet. The balance two who are there before my lords, my lord, namely Sajid Imam and Umar Khalid, they were in this first supplementary charge sheet of 22nd of November 2020.
All of them are in the first charge sheet.
7 of them, out of 9, 7 were there in the first.
There are 9 petitions before us.
9. 7, 5 were there. Mine is there. Why I highlighted all that?
So totally, how many petitions are there?
7 petitioners. 5 were there. 5 are there in the main charge sheet. You would have highlighted. And Sajid Imam and Umar Khalid were in the first supplementary charge sheet, filed on 26th of November 2020.
You said 16/9/2020?
16/9 is the first charge.
All right.
The supplementary charge sheet is of 22nd November 2020. My lords would kindly note that the charge sheet is also for section 16 of the UAPA Act, where there is no minimum sentence.
Huh?
There is no minimum sentence of 5
There
years.
is
There is no minimum sentence of 5 years.
16.
Yes,
You
16.
see, not less than 5 years, which may extend up to like
That is 16A, my lord, 16A
16A.
resulted in death. Therefore, there is no minimum.
UAP Act.
The reverse. Whoever commits a terrorist act shall, if such act has resulted in death of any person, be punishable.
What is this? 16A has been repealed, is it?
16 is not. 16 capital A has been repealed.
Ah.
16A, 16, 1A. I mistake, 1A. Whoever commits a terrorist act shall, if such act has resulted in death of a person, be punishable with death or imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable for fine. There's a charge sheet for section 16 where there's no minimum fine, it's an imprisonment for life. Which my lord may kindly note, my lord. And my lord, in both the cases, both the charge sheets, cognizance has been taken on 17th of September and 24th of November 2020. For all these sections, this order taking cognizance has not been challenged. The word cognizance occurring in various sections in the code is a word of import. It embraces within itself all powers and authority in itself, within taking authoritative notice of allegations made in the complaint or police report or any information received that an offence has been committed. In the context of section 202, 200, 202, 203, the expression taking cognizance has been used in the sense of taking notice of the complaint or the first information report or the information that an offence has been committed on application of judicial mind. So there is an application of judicial mind which shows that an offence has been committed. Independently also I'll demonstrate this offence has taken place, but this is recognition by court applying a judicial mind that the offence under the provisions of UAPA Act, including section 16, has been committed. If that is so, they are not entitled to bail. Kindly look at section 43D5. With intent to threaten or likely to threaten the unity, integrity, security, economic security is added subsequently, or sovereignty of India, or with intent to strike terror, or is likely to strike terror in the people or in sections of people in India or in any foreign country. Pausing here for a moment, I played a video yesterday. There are statements made that we will remove Assam out of India. There are statements made that chicken neck area will be taken away so that Assam gets cut off from India. So the first part is attracted because of that. Second part is economic security is also affected, my lord. And my lords, because they have said purpose is to see that the supplies are cut off for Delhi and other parts of India. Therefore, economic security is also affected. Kindly have a look. By using bombs, bombs have been used, petrol bombs have been used. That is the prosecution case. We have evidence that petrol bombs were used.